Welcome to Master of Realms. Today, we will learn how to print your map in 2D format in Master of Realms. At the top right corner, you will see a print option. After clicking there, a pop-up will appear with options for 2D print and 3D print. Since today we are focusing on 2D print, click on the 2D print option. Here, you will have 3 export format options: JPG, PNG, and digital format. The process of exporting in JPG and PNG formats is the same. In both formats, your print will be spread across several pages depending on the size of your map for better visibility. You can always select or deselect the pages from here. First, you need to choose the page size and image quality for your printable map. You can also adjust the grid overlay on your map, deciding whether to keep it on or off. If you choose to keep it on, you can select between a hex or square grid, and you can adjust the colors and transparency of the grid. Finally, click on the Export button and choose the folder where you want to save the file. It will take a few seconds to export the file, depending on the size of your map. As mentioned, you will receive your map in 4 separate pages for better visibility. You need to combine them to form the complete map. Next, we will export the map using the digital export option. First, you need to adjust the export chunk size as well as the maximum file size for your map. Then, choose whether you want to keep the grid overlay on or off. Choose the grid type. Adjust the color and transparency of the grid accordingly. Then click the Export button and select the folder where you want to save it. In the digital export, you will receive your entire map on a single page.